What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty and my blog is thexking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm answering the question, how can you make money online while traveling? Now, if you Google this, you put this on YouTube, 9 times out of 10, you will see people who have travel blogs or travel YouTube channels or do something with travel. And some people just want to make money while traveling and not talking about traveling. So this video is for people who want to make money online, who don't have a travel blog, who don't have a travel YouTube channel, nothing to do with travel, but you want to make money online or work on a business online while you're traveling, having fun. So let's talk about that for a second. We went to Vegas recently. In my last video, I talked about my horrible experiences with American Airlines, and that's one way you can make some money. See, people love user reviews. People love someone who's been through something and what their experiences are. People love that because you can't pay for that. A robot can't tell you how a service is. Someone has to actually go through this, pay for the service, go through the service, and what's the result. So if you can make a video, then you gotta have to make some video. You can make a video on if you flew a certain airlines, just do a video on a review video, excuse me, on your experiences. Is it good, bad, and different? How much it cost? So I did my last videos on my horrible experience with American Airlines. And I told my story, what happened, step by step, from Vegas to Texas to Charlottesville to Norfolk. They lost our bags, they damaged our bags, the flight was canceled, delayed, yada, yada, yada. So you can make a video just on that. So YouTube will be one of your best bets if you want to make money online, or at least put out some content to make money. So you could do some videos while you're traveling. So you could do videos on the airlines. You could do video, so another way, I'm telling you about this too, all ties together. We went to Vegas. So I shot 5 videos while I was in Vegas, and I didn't shoot myself. I shot videos of the shows that we've seen. I shot a video of the Bellagio, the fountain water show. I shot some videos of some shows. I shot videos of stuff happening inside the hotel, and I'll place those on YouTube. So those will make me money. Now it's not gonna make me $1,000 or $100, but it's gonna make me money based on stuff I saw while I was traveling. So YouTube will be the best bet to make money, and you don't have to, whatever niche you're in per se, you could tie it in together. If you do a food blog, a food channel, you could go to different restaurants, of course travel. If you're doing tech, you could go to there's different tech stores in Vegas or in wherever you're going to. You could go shop at and make a video, write a blog post about it. So any niche you're in, if you're in the cars, automotive, you could take videos of different cars you saw in Vegas, and you know how much the cars cost or how much it costs to fix them. So any niche you're in, you can pretty much find something while you're traveling to talk about or do a video about. So that's one way. The next way I've done it is you can write a blog post. Now, you don't have to have a laptop to write an article. You write a blog post on your phone. So, you can write reviews, you can write your experiences, and then you write about your trip, what you saw, what's interesting, do videos about it. And that's just 2 ways you make some money while traveling and not having a travel blog. Then my blog is how to make money online, and my YouTube channel is about jailbreaking Fire Sticks, saving money, making money. But also I'm doing review videos on my experiences, because it don't matter what niche you're in, somebody's looking for that content. Somebody's looking for a review on American Airlines, whether to purchase or not. I'm gonna make videos on, I posted them videos about those shows I saw in Vegas in case somebody's looking for them shows. Now it's not related to my channel. It ain't. But it's free content to post on YouTube channel to make money. So the 2 ways you could do it is you can write an article on your phone, whatever, or do some videos while you're out and traveling. And the 3rd way you can do it, you can buy traffic while you're out. You know what I'm saying? You buy traffic while you're out. You know, you can set a landing page up, bring your laptop, and you can still make some money. But the two best ways is to use the content, use the shows, record them shows, and put them out there on YouTube and write a blog post about it. Those are probably the two best ways to make money online while you're traveling. 'Cause I shot 5 videos. I'm gonna post all 5 videos. I didn't do no blog posts. I took a break from the blog. But YouTube is another way, because YouTube, you must create content. So those are two ways to make money while you're traveling. And nothing to do with being having a travel blog. You can record some shows. Vegas would be a great place to do a lot of videos. You can do a lot of videos in Vegas. There's a lot of free shows. That water fountain show. You can take a video for casinos. You can do a review on Vegas. How to eat cheap in Vegas. I got videos coming out now that how to save money in Vegas. So you do a money site or a money how to save money, make money YouTube channel. You can go to Vegas and like do some videos or blog posts. Hey, look, I ate here for $5. I did this 50-cent beer night in Vegas, and people want to know the information because people want to save money. So those are two ways to make money while traveling. Wherever you're going to, New Orleans, Florida, Miami, you can still do the same thing. You can write a blog post about your experiences in Miami. You do some videos of things you saw in Miami or whatever, and put them on YouTube and do a blog. So that's just two ways. You buy traffic there too, but it is what it is. So my name is Todd with xking.com. This is a quick video. Don't need a travel blog, talk about traveling. You just record videos. And that's it in my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and I'll see you next time.